Samolo kumgamsa ya tatari ngazo double displacement reaction ko ngazo jangi double displacement reaction na kande chilla gre ani ondi gi nenga khata ime ko la inye tari dela ani khatu tu shugi ya bo sero na ya double displacement reaction something to watch it double displacement reaction. Yeah, double displacement reaction the reaction the exchange of ion takes place. Katune ion exchange chegre, and then I ion yama exchange chegadola. Any shena any ganzuki double displacement is so chegre some double displacement like they are. A reaction in which two compounds reacts by exchanging ions. Reaction in which two compounds reacts with each other. Reacts with each other. Reacts with each other. One another. Or reacts with one another. These two compounds reacts with one another, or these two compounds reacts with each other by exchanging their ions to form two new compounds. Such a reaction is called as a double displacement reaction. I repeat here, double displacement reaction is a reaction in which two compounds reacts with each other by exchanging their ions to form two new compounds. Such a reaction is called as a double displacement reaction. Say, compound A, B, T, compound C, D, reaction. Compound A, B, compound C, D, reaction. Any compound condition, there are A, C down to the B, D. Compound A, C, the B, D. That the reaction double displacement reaction. We cannot say that the element A displaces element C. D displace chigrex concept ion exchange. Ion exchange any that A B ion niche, CD ion niche. That then the ion exchange and AC the BD like new compounds form. Such types of reaction is called as a double displacement reaction. So China, the reaction reaction A B D that under the displaced chigres, more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal like the activity series la touch and how to go. The activity series the displacement, single displacement reaction there are double displacement reaction the ion exchange compound ni any react they undergo a change to form two new compound where the ion exchange takes place. Or the digital any double displacement reaction. There are cation and anion. If you exchange both the cation and anion, then you will get the same reaction. Either you exchange cation only or you exchange anion only, so that you can get this double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. reaction double displacement reaction. And example if I get you an example, silver nitrate and sodium chloride. Silver nitrate and sodium chloride. That is compound silver nitrate and sodium chloride. That is compound say A, B, C, D. All those compound that if you exchange these cations, sodium de cation, silver de cation, yana or nitrate, anion, chloride, anion, kunimi, condic exchange, and there is a formation of say silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Silver chloride and sodium nitrate. AgNa Rangjasha sa chlorine di chu nitrate di pa exchange. Exchange sa nganzola silver chloride and sodium nitrate. O dindi reaction chi nganzo khala sina and nganzo ge double displacement reaction. So cha sa and the equation balance ni chi mundu. And this is one example of double displacement reaction. Dige jebulo sna indi ranja ba chesa odi nganzu jebulo tisana yana cations, both the cations only, yana both the anions only. Odi ni exchange china and nganzu la khala double displacement where exchange of ion takes place. Such a reaction is called as a double displacement reaction. Kan ye gidine example shimbas step china then sodium hydroxide any anzola acid reaction hydrochloric acid. That dige double displacement reaction, dige double displacement reaction. Yang anzo sodium rangja sha sodium rangja sha hydroxide chabla chlorine chu degila sodium chloride any anzo ge dijongodi hydrogen rangja sha any the anzo ge OH de phake suna the OH de phake suna H2O cha right OH the hydrogen reactions na hydroxide right hydroxide sa karsa hydrogen the hydroxide reactions na H2O cha right all the same that the reaction this is called as a double displacement as well as neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Neutralization, the acid reacts with base to form salt and water. Neutralization reaction. Oh, this is neutralization reaction, and this neutralization reaction is also a double displacement reaction where ion exchange takes place. All the children. Now, reaction reaction double displacement reaction. Lead nitrate. Lead nitrate the potassium iodide lead nitrate lead valency 2 in the potassium iodide kuning reaction china and manzol lead iodide I lead iodide potassium nitrate the equation balance there are two gaps na equation balance so chesa the reaction the get a chimbur kasinyama nige manzuge bagala kharsa equation balance is an again equation balance kala then ne balance chela any other there ya ni anglo kharsens na the yellow precipitate lead iodide like yellow precipitate this reaction where this potassium iodide right, is a colorless liquid. Similarly, lead nitrate is a colorless liquid. When these two colorless liquid, when they react, at that time they gets converted into a beautiful yellow precipitate formed by lead iodide and potassium nitrate. The lead iodide के precipitate that cell state जैसा दी की reaction दिलिया मीन्स बचेगा precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction यहाँ लग रहा है. जैसा हम जो reaction types of reaction ला reaction की main type चंगी शारला है शारदा शोला हम जो खर्चे मिलते ना neutralization reaction लाया तां precipitation reaction लाया तां खासा हम जो की दिनिया लाया हम जो की combination reaction जांग युद्ध चले दिनांगो exothermic तां endothermic reaction ला वो दिने हम जो दिनांग सीचने इन reaction की छामा सब ये बना हो ना इन दूसरे ने that double displacement reaction in example that sum shayu en cheza o dindichiga penachashina lead nitrate tang sodium chloride reaction na en manzu khara isna lead chloride tang sodium khare nitrate ragire la o dindichini ama ende reaction khajo su yore reaction dindigi reaction mangu pe yore cheza dindigi reaction ki type chigla ion exchange in doing type chigla manju khada gresna double displacement reaction agre ani dige sunda niebar shengore nyungne dige sunda shengore ani the double displacement reaction ko ni de zamche ni china